my name is Teacher Rama. Today we have speak and test. Okay,
Yes.
we can start.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Hua.
Nice to meet you. How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
And where do you live?
Um,
Where do you live?
I live in Halong City.
Okay, who do you live with?
I live my sister
With I live with.
when
I live with my sister.
my sister and my mom and my father.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is um, bowler,
What is it in English? Is it sport?
basketball.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's move to the second part.
Yeah.
In this part, we have two topics. The first one, my favorite film. The second one, my dream house.
Yes.
Which one you want to talk about?
I want to speaking my dream house.
Okay. You can take some time to think about the questions,
Yeah.
and then we will talk about it. Do you want to start?
Wait.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Yes, let's start.
My future, my dream house in the future is a villa in the beach.
Yes. What might it look like? Is it big? Is it small? Has it got a garden?
It's small
All right.
villa.
With a pool, with a garden.
It's a garden.
A garden, okay. And what do you want to have in your villa in the future? What appliances you want to have? Like you want to have a TV, you want to have a fridge.
I am a smart TV
Yes.
and a robot
Okay, why?
because robots can help me do the housework.
All right. Okay. All right. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.